In this chapter, here we are going to discuss about inserting chart and chart layout and formatting, inserting picture, graphics in cells, inserting header and footer. This is Microsoft Excel worksheet. Now let's insert a chart. Let's create a data sheet that we want to display in pie chart or any other chart style. Let's type title like budget sheet 2071-72. Now here budget title and here price. Let's insert title like education 45 lakhs, health 80 lakhs, construction 90 lakhs. Similarly, communication 50 lakhs, administration 60 lakhs, and others 75 lakhs. Suppose this is just a simple sheet here. Now let's select these titles. Now go to insert menu, tab, click on it, click on any chart style in chart group. Here we want to display this data in pie chart, so click on this pie chart. When you click on pie chart drop down arrow, here you can see different styles. Now choose in one style. Any one style you can choose. For example, 3D pie. I have chosen 3D pie. Now when you choose any chart style, immediately the chart tools with design and format tab appear. With the help of this design chart tool, we can design the chart, and with the help of this format tab, we can format the chart. For example, like drawings or shapes or shape styles or word or so on, we can change from format. From design, we can completely design the chart. So here you can see different chart style. You can choose from this lower button. See, you can choose any one style. Here, they automatically, on the basis of the separated price value, the pie chart has been created. You can choose any one style. Which style do you want? Okay? Suppose if you want to select this style, or if you want to select this style, just click on this style. Now our chart is ready. You can copy this chart in Microsoft Word and design more, or you can insert with contents. Just right click on this chart, just right click on the chart border, click on copy. Now open Microsoft Word, all programs, Microsoft Word folder, Microsoft Word. We are going to paste this created chart in Microsoft Excel in Microsoft Word document. Now click on paste option. Now the chart has been inserted in the Microsoft Word. You can just double click on it and you can just get the same chart design window, from where you can change the more styles again. See which style you want. Okay, in chart title you can just erase this text and type, for example, budget sheet of Nepal 2000 or 071 072. Like this we can display data in chart. Again, if you want to change this style, you can just double click on this chart. Again you can get the chart changing window or chart formatting tools. You can design more. For example, you can change the color. See, you can see the varieties of color. Which color style do you want? You can choose in one color. See, you can get, suppose I have chosen color 4. See, you can get the same color for styles, chart style here. Similarly, you can also show or hide row or column. You can also select the data. Here, you can just unhide the data also, or place the chart on the desired location. Again, you can change the title. For example, just click on it. Now the box has been selected. Here you can type the title of chart. For example, budget sheet 2071-72. Now you can also change the background of this chart. Just double click on this background. Here you can go to design or format, where you can choose fill color. Which color do you want? You can also change the outline color. You can also choose the outline border size. Color is red. See? Here we can format using format tab. Okay. Now let's go to Excel. Let's maximize this window. If you want to delete this chart, just click on border. Here this chart has been selected. You can see some borders. It means it is selected. Now just press delete key. Now again the chart has been removed from the Excel sheet. Similarly, let's display another data in chart. For example, SLC past year, SLC past students. Year. Suppose let's insert some data like in 2065 78 students were passed SLC examination. 2067 90 students were passed. 2068 only 45 students were passed. In 2069 80 students were passed. In 2070 54 students were passed, and in 2071 68 students were passed. Now let's display this data in chart. Select the data, go to Insert Menu tab and click on it. Click on any chart style. In which style do you want to display? For example, I have chosen here column chart. Now, when you click on this column chart drop down arrow, you can get varieties of chart style here or column chart. You can also change more column chart from here. Choose any one style. Suppose I have chosen this style. Click on OK. See, the chart has been inserted in Excel sheet. You can change any one style that from the list. See, which style do you want? This style, or this style, or this style, or this style. Which style do you want? Choose any one style. Suppose I have chosen this style. And here you can see. Similarly, you can also change the layout of this chart. Just go to Quick Layout, where you can get varieties of chart style. Here, if you choose this style, you can get this type of style. Choose any one style. Here you can see different styles. In which style do you want to show? You can also fill the color of chart. Suppose here we have white background. Now let's double click on this background. Here you can see fill option. Click on this fill option. Here you can see a list of fill type, like no fill if you want to remove the fill, or solid fill, or gradient color. Now in gradient also you can choose different color. You can choose different styles of fill. Which style do you want? You can also gradient stops. You can set the settings, or choose any one gradient type. Automatically the style has been applied. You can also set picture as background. Go to File menu, click on it. Now choose the picture which you want to set as background. For example, here I have chosen this image. Click on Insert. See, the picture has been set as background. Like this we can change the style. Similarly, let's design more. If you do not want this chart area, just select this box, press delete key. Now this one has been removed. You can type your one title here. For example, you can go to Insert menu, tab, click on text box. Now drag on the workspace inside chart area. Here you can type chart like budget sheet or Nepal 2071 or 72. Now our chart is ready. You can still change the style. Just double click on it and you can choose any desired style from chart style. And you can remove the unnecessary spaces or chart. You can just click on this area, press delete key. Now let's display a few data in chart. For example, child death rate, it is in percent. For example, in 2065, 78, 2060, 650 in 2067 500 in 2068 45 in 2069 74 in 2070 63 and 2071 41. Okay, now let's display this data in any desired chart. Select the data, go to insert menu tab, choose any one chart style. Okay, now choose any one style which you want to display. See, now this legend is here. Now just you can get, you have the fill color style. Okay, you can just choose any one color which you want to display. You can choose any one color. Okay, now our chart is ready. You can also just double click on this chart title and type the title. For example, child death rate of Nepal since 2065. Okay, you can also change the chart element. For example, you can sort the chart title where you want to say it. So for example, center overlay, this is one style. Now you can also change data labels. Now which style do you want? Okay, as per your desire you can change the style. Suppose I have chosen this best fit style. Similarly, you can also align this legend on right side or non or bottom. Okay, where you want to say it. You can set the alignment of this legend also. Similarly, you can also change the data labels. For example, more data label options. Here you can change the alignment. Number you can say like which style do you want. Number style also. For example, general I have chosen. Which effect do you want to give, like glow effect? In glow effect also different style you can choose from here. See, the styles are being changed here on the chart style. Choose any one style. This glow style. You can change the color also. Color or blue. Transparency also you can set. Okay, our chart is ready. Like this we can display the data in chart in Microsoft Excel. We can copy this chart and design in Microsoft Word. Just right click on it, click on copy. Now go to Microsoft Word. Now click on paste option. Now the chart has been inserted in Microsoft Word. Like this you can design the chart as per required and as per desire. Chart refers to the graphical representation of data. These are the charts that we created in Microsoft Excel. If you want to change the style or if you want to design more, you can just double click on it. Again you can get chart design tools on Microsoft Word also. Still you can change the style. Like this we can design chart. We can insert chart. Let's open new sheet. In this sheet we are going to work with some pictures and graphics. You can click on insert menu. Yeah. You can click on picture to insert picture in Microsoft Excel. Suppose I want to insert this big fat picture. See, the picture has been inserted in the Microsoft Excel. You can also print this sheet with this picture. Click on File menu, click on Print. Here you can see Print Preview. Whatever you see in the preview, that will be exactly printed through the printer. Now let's go back again. You can insert more picture. Click on Insert. Click on Picture. Choose any one picture that you want to insert here. Here I have chosen Valley, a picture. Click on Insert. See, another picture has been inserted. Just double-headed arrow has appeared. Just place your left mouse button and drag. Resize the picture. Placing the mouse pointer on the bird. Drag the mouse pointer. Placing on the left mouse button. See? Here we can insert picture like this. Similarly, we can also insert different shapes. Here you can insert different shapes. You can design as per desire, like in Microsoft Word. Similarly, you can insert lots of other shapes as per desire in Microsoft Excel also. Similarly, you can insert callouts also. See the callout? You can just delete the shapes. Just highlight the shape by clicking on it. Place delete key. Place delete key. Select the shape. Place delete key. Like this you can insert and delete shapes. You can design as per your require. Similarly, you can also insert different symbols. Click on symbol. Choose any one symbol from here in font. Now you can insert any symbol, but the symbols are inserted in cell. If you want to insert more symbols, go to symbols. Choose any one font. For example, here I have to choose Women's Trade. You can choose different style of arrow. See, the arrow has been inserted in the seal. I want to insert another symbol. This is symbol I want to insert. Close. See, you can select the cells with the symbol and go to Home menu tab. Choose font size to show in large size. See, the symbols are being displayed in Excel cell. Like this you can work with graphics and pictures in Microsoft Excel. Let's insert header and footer. Let's go to sheet 1. Here we have some data. Now let's preview this content. Go to File menu, click on Print. See, the contents are going to be printed in this style. Now header is placed on the top of the page and footer is placed on the bottom of the page or sheet, and that are printed in each pages. Now let's go back. Go to Insert menu tab. Click on Header. Now in Header box has appeared here. type any text or insert any symbol or picture which you want to display in this page. For example, budget sheet or report. And when you click on footer, you can directly get inside the footer, or you can just scroll down and here you can click on the footer box. Here you can type like printed at Kathmandu. Phone number. Okay, suppose this is footer note, and in all you can see budget sheet of Nepal, budget sheet book. Okay, budget sheet book 2017 June. Now you can design the font. For example, font size 18, font color 8. Okay, and here we have footer and here we have header. Now let's go to file menu, click on print. Here you can get this header and footer note on print preview also. This sheet will be printed exactly whatever you see here. Header and footer are displayed in this page or in sheet or Microsoft Excel. You can also insert page number like insert menu, or you can just double click on. Here we are in header. We can insert. We are in header. You can click on header and footer tools design tab here. Click on it. From where you can change the style of header and footer. For example, you can insert page number. Okay, you can insert current date and time. See, the time has been displayed. You can say insert the page number. See, the page number has been displayed. Now you can just give space to display in different. Similarly, you can also insert current date. See, the date has been displayed. Or let's go to footer. Here we have a sheet with data. Now let's insert header and footer again. Click on insert menu tab. Click on header and footer option. Now type header. For example, result sheet 2015. Along with this heading, you can insert page number. You can insert current date. You can insert current time. Now let's come out. See, here you can see this is page number, this is date and time, and this is time, and this is date. Okay. Now let's come to the footer. Click to add footer. Just click on here. Now type the text. For example, Mount Valley Secondary School, Kathmandu. Phone number, something. Okay. And you can also insert page number here. Click on design tab on this header and footer tools. Click on page number. Now click on outside. See the page number 1. And here you can see lots of pages. Automatically, when we choose header and footer, automatically the Excel sheet is divided into different pages. See, this is one page, this is another page, here you can see another page. See, there are lots of pages And in each page you can see header and footer. In here also you can see the same header. Here also you can see the same header. And here you can see the same header. In all pages you can see the same header. Like this. Like in Microsoft Word, when we insert header and footer in each, when we insert header and footer in the sheet, all pages will contain header and footer, and that will be printed exactly through the printer. Let's go to File menu to view print preview. Print. See, in this page you can get the same style. In here you can see results in 2015 and page number and date and your time. On footer you can see Mount Halley Secondary School, Kathmandu, and in another pages also you can get. See, in page number 2, 3. Okay. In all pages you can get the same type of sheet. Like this you can say header and footer. Just go back.